How top creators turn content into scalable wealth. Chapter 1. The content wealth equation. In the new digital era, wealth isn't just about capital or connections, it's about leverage. Today's most successful entrepreneurs don't simply chase attention, they architect systems where content becomes capital. Content is now a multiplier, not just a marketing tool. And for those who understand how to wield it, content becomes a compounding asset capable of producing long-term wealth. Instead of managing large teams or raising venture capital, modern creators build digital ecosystems around audience trust, automation, and evergreen media. They don't publish content randomly. They build pipelines, smart, efficient, and automated. Those who master this model learn to decouple income from time and attention from output. It is the most scalable business model in history. Chapter 2. Digital real estate versus the hamster wheel. Many creators remain trapped in the content treadmill, posting endlessly to keep up with trends. These creators are building what we call the hamster wheel. Their content disappears after 24 to 48 hours, driven by algorithmic demand for novelty. Meanwhile, others choose to build digital real estate, assets that compound in visibility and revenue over time. These include long-form YouTube videos, evergreen blog content, and downloadable digital tools. The key difference is longevity. A video designed to rank for best AI tools for entrepreneurs can continue attracting thousands of views and generating revenue, months or even years after it's posted. Digital real estate rewards creators who think like investors. They focus on long-term ROI, not instant validation. The richest digital entrepreneurs today treat content as a portfolio, each piece engineered for value, visibility, and conversion. Chapter 3. The Faceless Empire Model. Many digital creators operate without putting their face or name on the content. These creators have built automated content empires through voiceovers, animation, and systemized storytelling. Channels like Better Than Yesterday and Alux, for example, have attracted millions of subscribers and generate substantial passive income through automation. This model allows for ease of scale. Without the need for a personal brand, creators can produce at volume using freelance editors, voiceover artists, and AI-assisted scripting. The absence of identity allows the brand to function as a media company rather than a personal brand, making it easier to sell or license in the future. This content engine runs on systems, not personality. It shows that in the modern media ecosystem, consistency, clarity, and value creation can outperform charisma alone. Chapter 4. The Infinite Repurposing Machine. Content creation doesn't need to be constant. It needs to be leveraged. Smart creators take one core piece of long-form content and break it into dozens of micro-assets. A single 10-minute video can become 3 YouTube shorts, 2 Instagram reels, a full blog post, a tweet thread, and a downloadable checklist or swipe file. This dramatically increases the lifespan and reach of every idea. Justin Welsh, a former tech executive turned solo creator, exemplifies this model. He creates just one long-form piece of content each week, then breaks it down into 30-plus assets for social media, email, and paid products. His system has generated over $5 million in revenue, all as a one-person business. The power of repurposing lies in scale without burnout. It transforms effort into evergreen infrastructure. Chapter 5. SEO flywheels and search traffic. Compounding search is the compounding engine of content. While social media delivers spikes, search delivers consistency. And that consistency compounds. Creators who understand SEO build content around keywords that solve real problems. They rank for long-tail search queries. They structure content to satisfy both the algorithm and the human reader. They update quarterly using AI, and they build authority over time. A great example is Thomas Frank, a YouTuber and productivity blogger who optimized his content for high-ranking search terms in the personal development and Notion space. His library of searchable evergreen content now drives consistent traffic and income through affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships. Search-based content is not about chasing views, it's about owning demand. Chapter 6. Productize what you know. Every skill, system, and framework you've developed can be turned into a product. This is the core of the knowledge economy. taking what you know and structuring it into value others can buy. Dan Koh, for example, transformed his mindset and business frameworks into $109 courses, templates, and private communities. He now earns 7 figures per year with 0 full-time staff, simply by documenting what he knows, productizing it, and distributing it through content. To replicate this, start by documenting your systems. Turn them into Notion dashboards, step-by-step guides, AI prompt packs, or digital courses. Host them on platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or Podia. Every product becomes a revenue-generating node in your content network. Chapter 7. Evergreen Funnel Architecture. Every piece of content should serve a purpose in your funnel. It should drive the viewer toward a relationship and ultimately toward a product. At the top of the funnel, you have discovery content, YouTube videos, tweets, SEO-driven blog posts. These introduce your perspective. In the middle, you offer a free resource, a Notion template, ebook, or checklist. This earns an email. At the bottom, an automated email sequence nurtures trust and presents a product with a clear transformation. This is the exact model used by creators like Sahil Bloom, who builds Twitter threads, links to his newsletter, and eventually sells educational products and workshops. It's simple, it works, and it runs automatically once built. Chapter 8. Automating the back end. Automation turns a content system into a business. With tools like ConvertKit, Zapier, Stripe, and Airtable, you can connect every part of the customer journey without ever needing to manually respond. When someone watches your video, downloads a resource, and buys your product, it all happens seamlessly. They receive access, onboarding, and follow-ups, all without your involvement. Jack Butcher, founder of Visualize Value, built a one-man 7-figure brand using this exact structure. His content attracts. His system delivers. His calendar stays clear. The infrastructure is invisible, but the income is very real. Chapter 9. Build in public, sell in private. Documenting your process builds trust. When you build in public, sharing your wins, mistakes, and behind-the-scenes process, people lean in. They root for you. They buy from you. Sean Puri does this brilliantly. He shares product experiments, business frameworks, and daily insights on Twitter. Then, when he launches something, a course, newsletter, or product, there's no selling needed. The audience is already converted. You don't need to shout your offer. You just need to show your process. Chapter 10. Community as a monetization layer. A loyal audience is powerful, but a loyal community is priceless. When you convert followers into a closed, owned space, like a private Discord or Circle community, you deepen the relationship and unlock new revenue streams. You gain retention, feedback loops, and user-generated growth. Courses with community access convert at 2-3x higher than those without. Membership communities often generate more recurring revenue than products. It's not just about selling to your audience. It's about building with them. Chapter 11. The velocity layer. Content plus speed. Publishing speed is a multiplier of growth. The faster you iterate, the faster you learn what works. That doesn't mean posting garbage. It means building systems so you can produce consistently. Use AI to draft outlines. Use templates to structure offers. Use SOPs to delegate to freelancers. Creators like Alex Hormozy built massive followings by shipping high-volume content rooted in clarity. Velocity reveals signal. Chapter 12. Offer stacking and tiered monetization. The most effective content engines don't sell one product. They sell an ecosystem. At the front, there's free content that builds trust. Then low-ticket products remove friction. Mid-tier offers deepen the transformation. High-ticket offers are for those ready to go all in. This ladder lets you monetize different levels of trust and urgency, and every step builds toward the next. Chapter 13. The Notion Stack. Build your empire in one hub. Notion has become the digital operating system of modern creators. It's used for product creation, SOP management, content calendars, and customer databases. It centralizes the business from ideation to delivery. Many 6- and 7-figure creators run 100% of their business inside Notion. It reduces friction, increases clarity, and creates repeatable workflows. Chapter 14. Tracking, testing, and optimization. You can't grow what you don't track. Every piece of content, every funnel, and every product should be measured. Use Notion or Airtable to track video revenue, email opt-in rates, product conversion, and refund percentages. Weekly metrics tell you what to scale. Monthly reviews tell you what to kill. This is how a content machine evolves. Chapter 15. Leverage is the endgame. Billionaires don't trade time for money. They trade ideas and systems for compounding results. Leverage, the ability to achieve outsized results from minimal input. It is the true goal of content. And there are only 4 kinds: labor, capital, code, and content. Content is the most accessible and the most scalable. It costs nothing to distribute. It never sleeps. It can reach millions in minutes. When combined with code and systems, content becomes a wealth engine that outperforms teams, sales calls, and traditional businesses. This is how modern founders escape the hustle. They don't grind. They engineer leverage. Conclusion: build once, earn forever. You don't need millions of followers. You need one system built for scale, automation, and income. Use content to build trust. Use systems to convert. Use products to monetize. Use automation to remove yourself. This is how modern entrepreneurs scale with elegance. This is how you escape the trap of effort-driven income. This is how you build once and earn forever.